Approved by the Carpet and Rug Institute for soil removal, dust containment, and appearance retention. Certified has pioneered and developed the use of the pile brush longer than any other machine manufacturer. Certified introduced the first two-motor horizontal pile brush unit ever manufactured. It is the opinion of thousands of certified pile brush users that no cleaning job is complete or professionally done unless prepared by pile brushing. Skillfully engineered and ruggedly built, the certified pile brush is the industry's leader. The certified pile brush works on both a sweeping and vacuum action. The 15-inch brush gets down to the base of the carpet fibers to break up caked, embedded soils and dry particulate matter, which are swept by the brush into the sand trap area. Once in the sand trap area, all of the heavy particles such as pebbles, paper clips, sand, and tacks rest in the sand trap. The vacuum motor then pulls the smaller, lighter particles into the vacuum bag. This process keeps the larger particles from being pulled into the vacuum motor and causing damage. Why the certified pile brush stands out. Dual motor system. One motor drives a 4.5-inch diameter vegetable fiber or nylon brush. New, quieter motor drives vacuum. Dual filtration. The bags work together to perform at near HEPA filtration. Outer bag is made of heavy C-Tex material. Inner paper bag insert collection efficiency 90% at 0.5 microns. Top fill design results in 80% efficiency, 840 cubic inches of dirt holding capacity. Sand trap for collecting larger particles and allowing just fine dry particulate to pass through the vacuum motor into the paper bag insert. Solid die-cast aluminum construction. Self-leveling base. There is no need to adjust for different sizes or kinds of carpet pile. The benefits of dry extraction. Dry soil is a lot easier to remove than wet soil. No downtime after cleaning. Carpet is not left wet or slippery, which often causes mold and mildew. What the certified pile brush will do for you. Help remove traffic pattern lanes by restoring and unifying their appearance with surrounding carpet. Restore breathability back into the carpet by gently grooming the nap. Add life to your commercial or residential carpet by restoring and maintaining the original appearance of the pile. Improve indoor air quality throughout a facility by removing particles in the carpet that could become airborne. Enhance performance of cleaning chemicals by removing deeply embedded soil that inhibits them from reaching the carpet fibers. Shaw Industries, one of the leading manufacturers of carpet, says, using a pile lifter in traffic lanes just prior to cleaning will remove the deeply embedded soil and open up the pile so the hot water extraction can be more effective. The BSCAI Carpet Guide says the pile brush will remove deeply embedded soil and open up a nap more than a regular lightweight vacuum. Commercial carpet is replaced prematurely not because it wears out, but because it uglies out in high traffic areas. This is new carpet pile before heavy traffic, dirt, and moisture. This is carpet pile with heavy traffic and insufficient maintenance. And this is carpet pile restored after pile brush is used. Pile restored, uniform pile, recovered breathability, improved appearance. Certified's Dirtometer. Certified's Dirtometer is a demonstration tool used to show what is missed by traditional vacuuming and even deep extraction. The pile brush removes heavy sand, dirt, and abrasive soil that fall into the base of the carpet that regular vacuums cannot remove. By removing damaging soil, the certified pile brush can drastically increase the life of commercial carpet. Where to use the certified pile brush. Shaw's recommendation for in-house maintenance specifies use a pile lifter in high traffic areas. Traffic lanes and heavy pivot areas and hallways and in front of reception areas. Entrances into buildings. 80% of soil is trapped in entrances and beginnings of rooms. Elevator areas. These areas ugly out and ruin the appearance of the carpet as a whole, leading to premature replacement. When to use the certified pile brush. The BSCAI Carpet Guide says the pile brush type machine will be used weekly on traffic lanes, monthly on all carpeted areas, and always just before the cleaning process. Always the first step in restoration cleaning. Minimum of once a week, more frequently with heavy foot traffic and wear. How to use the certified pile brush. Scope your facility to determine the carpet problem areas. Determine the lie of the carpet pile. Going against the lay of the pile pulls the fibers up, allowing the deeply embedded soil to be reached. The height of the handle can be freely adjusted to desired height. The pile brush is a ready-to-use machine. Just plug it into the outlet. There are no chemicals or powders required. Just plug it in and start moving. There are no solution tanks to fill or recovery tanks to empty. Firmly grip the handle and hold in on the lever under the handle. The pile brush will gently pull you with the machine. To operate most effectively, always start in a corner of the area to be pile brushed, facing the lay of the pile. Run the pile brush forward 2 or 3 steps and pull back over the same area. This is where the pile brush is most effective, lifting the pile and removing the deeply embedded soil. The pile brush action is complete on the backstroke against the lay of the nap. The pile brush can cover 2,000 to 3,000 square feet in 1 hour. How to store the certified pile brush. Wrap the cord around the handle. Check the fill level of the bag. Replace the bag around 80% full. Clean out the sand trap. Adjust the pile brush handle to a 90-degree angle. Place a wooden block in front of the brush to keep it from flattening out. The certified pile brush is around the same size as a regular vacuum. Brush length, 15 inches, self-leveling, 38.10 centimeters. Base, polished rugged aluminum casting. Outer bag, heavy C-Tex material, collection efficiency 97.25% at 0.3 microns. Shipping weight, 80 pounds, 36.3 kilo. Each certified pile brush is proudly handcrafted in the USA. Certified Structured by Nature green carpet products,